In an ever-changing environmental landscape, it can be easy to overlook small but meaningful ways that we can impact the world around us. That smart, interconnected choices can support local ecosystems and create lasting change. For example, the birds and the bees can help build a more sustainable tomorrow.
Our flooring manufacturing facilities are located within a vast wetland area of New Jersey, so there are a lot of insects, and insects and flooring don't mix. Many years ago, we started looking for more natural approaches to insect control.
Purple martins are small, lively, and lovely birds that travel through and into New Jersey every April on their migration to and from Brazil. As a species, they are dependent on humans for their housing, and they are voracious consumers of bugs. We provided custom housing for the martins next door to our plant, encouraging the birds to spend the summer with us to eat their fill of insects.
Today, we have 96 birdhouses on site and are the proud parents of approximately 350 chicks every year. It's a great example of seeking out unique solutions to solve a business operations issue with the environment in mind.
However, we often make environmental choices, not because they're smart business, but simply because they tie into our company's core value of doing the right thing. The world's honeybee population is in crisis, with far-reaching impact on many agricultural crops. Some estimates are that 50% of the world's honeybee population has been lost over the last 50 years. So we started hosting bees on our New Jersey property. They pollinate crops within a 2-mile radius of the hives, supporting local farms and the local bee population. All 9 hives are thriving and produce about 25 to 30 gallons of honey annually. Our colonies have been so successful that we also expanded this effort to our manufacturing plant in Eustis, Florida.
When it comes to environmental issues, we sometimes tend to have a mentality of us versus them, of minimizing humankind's impact on nature while still allowing us to build, create, and make our mark. But the truth is, nature is not on the other side of the fence. We're part of it. We share the same resources and have to cooperate to make it work.